If you see the drop down for Topper, there's some different providers that we can use. So for example, you might want to look at this yourself, because just taking a look here, switching over to Robinhood would actually give me the lowest price. So make sure that you are getting the best possible execution here with these different providers. So we are going to switch over to Robinhood. I do have a Robinhood account and Robinhood Connect, so that should allow me to utilize that and buy through the app. So now we have some options here for how we're paying with Robinhood. We either can use my Robinhood buying power, which I have in the account, Apple Pay, debit/credit card, or same-day ACH. Since I already have buying power, which is money deposited to my Robinhood account, I'm going to click on that top option here, and then we're going to click on Continue. At this point, we have the option here to open this page in Robinhood, so I'm going to click here on Open. And I do now have to turn off the screen recording and just take screenshots, because Robinhood has a safety mechanism in place, so we'll go ahead and do screenshots now. So at this point, it loaded Robinhood Connect for me. We can see my buying power listed at the bottom, and I can click on the Review Order button. And this is going to bring us to a screen here where we can see the payment method, network address, the rate, network fee, etc. If everything looks good, we can go ahead and click on Continue. And now we have a quick confirmation here about protecting yourself from scammers. You have to read this, accept, and continue. And then it says it's sending off the order. And just like that, the order was submitted. So now we can click on the button at the bottom that says Go to Phantom. And it's going to now give us confirmation that we want to open things back up over in Phantom. And then we get a confirmation on this side that says Purchase Submitted. And it took just a few seconds for this to come over. I would say about 15 seconds if I were to estimate it.